All right, man. What's up and what's happening, Captain? Ladies and gentlemen of the jury. What's going on, guys? First and foremost, I just want to say thank y'all to everyone who showed love on my previous video. I got a lot of comments talking about I thought you were my dad, and I just want to let you guys know I am the father to all of y'all. And if you guys ever felt for a second, hey, why isn't dad home? Where's Papa? We need some milk. Just know, got some soy, I got some almond, and it's on the way, okay? I'm not hiding you from the world, I'm hiding the world from you. All right, gets a little bit overwhelming sometimes. But anyways, guys, today we have a very special unboxing and a motherfreaking sponsorship. So, without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys how to get iced out on a budget, because one piece, an element of every outfit that is heavily overlooked is, of course, the jewelry. All right, man, so getting into this parcel today, of course, every unboxing wouldn't be complete without Trish, the blonde hair bitch. You know, with that knife on hoof. But the company that this is from is actually MIDASBLING. And just a little history lesson, man. Bling was a word that the great, notorious rapper Lil Wayne actually came up with. So any company that implements a word that was added to Webster's dictionary via Lil Wayne, they cool with me. All right, y'all, so just sliding my hand in the envelope, we have a box. Shout out to Roddy Rich one time. So you have this nice little, what appears to be a zipper on here. And you guys see this little flimsy chain. It's about time we upgrade one time for the one time. So inside the box is another box. Damn, we got hella boxes. And inside the envelope that's outside the box is still the same box. And there it is. Oh my God, look at that. MIDASBLING jewelry. Hello. Beautiful quilted, diamonds dancing on the design. All right, let's just crack this sucker open one time. Oh! All right, dude, we got a nice little care package, it appears, in here. So, here is the company, MIDASBLING, and you guys can get 20% off if you type in again 20 at checkout. So shout out to them one time. Let's see what these chains are looking like. High quality velvet bags too, man. God, I wish my sack felt as good as these sacks. Inside the first bag, oh my God, bro, this is actually nice, yo. I thought this chain would be hella huge. It seems to be like a perfect size. Perfect. Definitely a big upgrade to the chain I have on, but it's not outlandishly large, which is perfect. Perfect. All right, so here's the chain. Take a nice little peek at it. This thing is high quality. It has a great weight to it, and it is a 12 millimeter, 18 karat gold. And you guys know I like gold. Actually, better yet, I love gold. I love gold. You know what I'm saying? Iced out clasp, Cuban link chain, just as a comparison to the chain I have on that I love. This little chain that I got for like 25 cents at a garage sale, it's all messed up. The clasp is broken. It honestly is like weathered, but this chain is pretty much the exact same size. It's meteor and actually is gold plated. And I mean meteor as in meat, not as in, you know, balls of fire descending from the sky, meteor, you dig? But just had to clarify. But yeah, so this chain is definitely sick. You guys can get it for 20% off. Its retail is, I think, $80. There's a link in the video description. It is so fire. But yeah, I want to show you guys how I accessorize with this bad boy and give you guys some thrift fits, because I love having one piece that just stands out and adds a pop to any outfit. And that definitely would be the necklace in this case. It could be a pair of shoes, a hat, but I like having a nice piece of jewelry on. This is subtle, it's sexy, and now your father is looking like a damn rapper, which, come on, man. You can't f with it, bruh. All right, and also, let's see what else they threw in. Damn, they threw in this nice little bonus piece too. I don't know what this chain is labeled on their site, but I'll put the name of it right here. But this bad boy is just all iced out. And yeah, one thing they whoops. One thing that they do is wrap up their chains. Like this bad boy was wrapped in some cellophane looking like a damn snake, and it took me forever to get the skin to shed off. So really high quality packing material. Damn, this shit hard to take off, man. But they threw in this really thin diamond encrusted chain as well with the gold on the back. Man, hold up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this clasp on here. And bro, the clasps that they included are so high quality. Like, bruh, this thing has like an interlocking mechanism, dude. It's nuts. All right, so let's take off this Cuban chain and go with the sexy sleek diamonds. And bro, this is what I really love because it's a little bit more thin, kind of like your boy String Bean status, you know what I'm saying, elongated, in more ways than one. But yeah, this thing is definitely like subtle. I like the way it's laying on my neck slash titties right now, and it's just sick, dude. So yeah, this chain is amazing. Of course, I love the all gold, but it's been a hot minute since I had anything with any types of like diamond looking infusion. So yeah, I'm gonna look up this on the website. I had no idea they were throwing this chain in, so this will also be linked in the description. But without further ado, I guess I'll show off 2 outfits in the Cuban chain and 2 outfits in this nice thin diamond dancing chain. Both of them are like 12 millimeters, roughly the same size as my cock when not clasped. So if you guys were curious, it's about that long, all right? Kind of got to roll it up 2 times. All right, let's get to these outfits, bro. I'm wildin'. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please show some love. I, of course, enjoy reading these comments. They're amazing. And yeah, dude, I just am so happy and blessed to get these 2 pieces of jewelry. They are so fire. And of course, they are on a budget, especially being gold plated. I know some of you guys might like solid gold or just to really flex with a piece. Me personally, I'd rather save money on the jewelry and have it be high quality, have a little bit of that gold infusion on it. And so if you're trying to, you know, get iced out on a budget, definitely check out MIDASBLING. Sorry, still trying to figure out the clasp. It really is super simple. It's just behind the back, bro. Behind the back. It's like I'm trying to, you know, Steve Nash this bitch, but I never played basketball a day in my life. But yeah, dude, both these chains are amazing. I love the length, I love the subtlety, and also the sexiness. So thank you, MIDASBLING, for supporting your boy. Thank you guys for supporting your boy, and you guys know, live the dream, eat that ice cream, and until next time, I'll see y'all. Links in video description. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.